This is a height adjustable and tabletop angle adjustable side table. Height adjusted by manual button. The post is aluminum alloy with gear-shaped adjustable lines. It can be any height from 58 to 88 cm. Suitable height for your choice. Easily adjust the tabletop angle. Bi-direction 30-degree tilt tabletop. 2 anti-fall strips. Convenient for work from home. Lower base on the sofa easily. Height of base 7 cm. Rockable casters. It can be sofa side table. It can be bedside table. Use this table everywhere you want. Regular color, white, black, and walnut. Contact us for customized color.